In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your followers from the public on your Instagram account. So if you want to hide your followers, you need to turn your account to private so that only your followers can see the number of followers you have. To do so, head over to your profile here on the down right and then click on it. Then this will bring you to this menu here and tap on the menu icon that is on the top right corner here. Under this, head over to who can see your content. And then under it, we have the option called account privacy. Currently, it is set to public. If we tap on it, to hide our followers, we need to change this to private. And you can do so by just toggling on this. And when you do so, you are told that only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. And apart from that, they won't also be able to see your followers. So go ahead and tap on switch to private. And that is it. And now here we are told that you can make changes to who can see your posts and stories. If you want to review, go ahead and tap on review. And you can make some selection if you want to exempt it from others. So that is it. Now the followers I have are only visible to those who follow this account, and anyone who doesn't follow my account can't see my followers. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.